All right, welcome to the PRTC Club Signups. Just a reminder of how the process works again. We also have several new clubs for this rotation. We took your all's input when you let us know what clubs you wish you had and all that kind of stuff. And so several teachers tried to add some new clubs. So there are lots of new clubs to watch out for. So just a few reminders as we get going on club signups. As a reminder, please make sure you only sign up for a club that fits your grade level. So you'll notice on the club sign up, this is what your sign up will look like here in a few moments. For instance, Color in a Movie Club is only for 7th graders. So make sure you only sign up for that club if you're a 7th grader. So please pay close attention. That information is posted on the Sign Up Genius as well as the electronic club ballot that your teachers will share with you here in a moment if they haven't already. Notice that there is a girls volleyball club that is, and that is of course for girls only. A few other new clubs to mention. There's Draw, Sketch, and Doodle. There's Dungeons and Dragons, back by popular demand. Mr. Bussinger and I have started a Frisbee club, so that is new as well. We have a chess club, which is returned, as well as anime club. Harry Potter Movie Club is not new, but it is only for 6th and 7th graders. Literary Movie Club is for 6th grade only. Model Rocket Club, just like it has been, has a $5 fee if you bring your own rocket, $10 if you buy one through the club. There is now a Musical Movies Club in the auditorium, an Outdoor Coloring Club, weather permitting, and that is for 6th and 7th grade only. Recycling is still available for 8th grade only. There's a Trivia Club now for 6th and 7th grade only, and then a Ukulele Club, which we have had in the past. You must have your own ukulele. You cannot sign up and then just hope to borrow one. You must have your own before you sign up. A few other reminders as you go through this process. Please make sure you have a few clubs in mind when you go to sign up. So, if you've got your heart set on friendship bracelets, just be aware it might fill up. So make sure you have a backup club ready to go if you decide if that one is not available. Please also make sure that when you are swiping up and down to look at the clubs, to please make sure you are swiping in this space over here to the right. Do not swipe past the sign up boxes. That's how several of us during the A clubs accidentally signed up for multiple clubs, which caused a lot of issues for you all. So please make sure that you are swiping over here to the side. Once you've decided on a club, so let's say I choose Frisbee Club, which you should definitely consider, you'll click Submit. All right, so once you're on the screen, please double check and make sure you only have one club selected here. So in my case, it's just Frisbee Club. If there is more than one, please click on Back to PRT Club C Club Sign Up, and please remove that other club before you sign up for it. Type in your first and last name. Don't need to fill in an email. And then when you list your Husky Time teacher and grade level, please also make sure you don't put in Mr. or Mrs. in front. You just need to put the last name and then 8 or 7 or 6. After that, click Sign Up Now. On the screen, again, please make sure it only has one club listed, and it should have a room number for you. If it's not listed yet, we will get that information to you. If for some reason you have more than one club listed there in this sign-up portion, please let your teacher know. Teachers, please send those students to me in room 519. Hopefully it's just a handful. Last club signups, it was only 5 or 6 that accidentally had extra clubs. It was a very, very easy fix. All right, thank you, PRT students, for listening in. Mr. Berrickman will come on the announcements here in a few moments to let teachers know they can put up the QR code and you all can begin your club signups. Happy clubbing!